the Etobicoke Olympium.
Well, if you haven't seen the production of Cats, here it is at the Etobicoke Olympium. They're going to do a flying cat right at the beginning. Watch this. Unbelievable. Almost right through the roof. Pumped with adrenaline right now.
Kind of hard not to be with the audience support they're getting right now. A lot of credit has to go to Sheila Clarkson and Debbie Stanton, the two coaches.
Well, the first figure they just performed was excellent. Let's see if they can maintain this level throughout the whole entire routine. Difficult figure, sustained height with a great spin down. I don't think I've ever seen a team that enjoys swimming a routine as much as this team right here.
They certainly swim better than Mr. Mustopheles.
Nice leg boost. Let's see if they can keep this straight line up, and the synchronization has to be perfect if they want to receive a 10 tonight.
McCavity's a mystery cat, he's called the hidden paw.
Expressive faces.
For he's a master criminal.
I think they're gonna meow soon.
Can defy the law. He's the Baphomet of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair. But when they reach the scene of crime, McCavity's not
Now look
there.
at this expressive figure with their legs. Very original. Unique pattern change coming up. Now this is an extremely high-risk boost. They've got to pull this off. And they did. And the crowd's almost standing on their feet right now. A lot of excitement in this building. Together, which is really high risk, because if they knock their nose clip off, they would pretty much have it for the rest of the routine. They'd have a difficult time in finishing the routine.
The cats in the pool today are Lisa Alexander, Karen Clark, Carrie Clausen, Charlene Davies, Carrie DeGuerre, Deanna Inglis, Sandra Inglis, and Heather Johnson.
Showing their control and strength here. Look at the traveling. Their positions and formations are perfect. They're constantly looking underneath the water to make sure they're in line with their partner.
About 30 seconds to go in one of the finest performances I've seen in the pool. And naturally, Rum Tum Tugger had to get in it somewhere.
and there isn't any need for me to spout it.
We're going to do a sitting cat that's going to be coming up here.
There's no
Really, really well done. Very impressive.
The ovation speaks for the performance for the Etobicoke Olympium Club. Even Andrew Lloyd Webber would be proud of these scores for the Olympium Club. Their figure score, 94.1731. That's the highest of the day. The routine score featuring a 10 and 2 9/9s, 97.88. That's the highest of the competition as well for their championship score. Gold medal performance, 192.0531. Here are the standings now. In fifth position, the Synchro Elite Club of Quebec with 176.5350. In fourth place, the Calgary Aquabelles, 181.6575. The bronze medal third place Camo Club, 187.0456. The Vancouver Aquasonics take the silver medal with 188.65. And an outstanding performance wins the gold for the Olympium Club from Etobicoke, 192.0531.